Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you how to make this shrimp fried rice with some egg. In my pot I have my ginger garlic. I'm adding salt, added my goy seasoning, and add my shrimp. Fry and make sure it's well cooked. Added my green peppers and some red bell. Fry everything together, set it aside. Yes, and start with my vegetables. I have curry and some thyme. I have some vegetables, mixed vegetables, whatever type of vegetables of your choice. Go ahead and use it. Mix all of this together and set it aside. I have my green peas. Fry it and set it aside. Here is egg. I'm going to make a scrambled egg and just set this egg aside. Look at the egg. In this pot I have my oil. I'm going to go in with my onion, go in with my thyme, my rosemary, my onion powder, garlic powder, my curry, and my goya seasoning. Just season it to your taste. Mix everything to combine. Make sure it's tasty. Add your green herbs. I'm adding my rice. Mix. This is a very quick recipe, guys. It's not a recipe to waste your time. Cover it up. Come back 15 minutes later. Our rice is ready. Look at that delicious fried rice. Yes, I'm going to be adding it to the tray now. I want to mix it in the tray. Add my rice. Add some vegetables. This is how we mix our fried rice in Nigeria, especially when we have some special occasions. You mix it this way. You toast your vegetables vertically. All your vegetables, just get them ready in one pot and then start mixing it with your fried rice. Guys, your fried rice will never get bad if you go this way, as long as you toast your vegetables and put them, as you go. You mix your vegetables with your rice. You just put them in the rice like that. Look at how it's coming. Look at how delicious. Guys, you want to try this recipe. This rice came out so beautiful. Your friends will love it if you try this for this new year. This is an idea. Yes, I'm going to be adding my eggs after I've added the shrimp, and then I'll add some spring onion to garnish. There can't be any beautiful fried rice without spring onion, especially if you're making this shrimp fried rice. Yes, look at the rice. See how beautiful, guys. Try this and come and say thank you, Gucci's Kitchen. If you have been watching me till now, you haven't subscribed, please do me well by subscribing and hit on the bell notification, so anytime I upload new videos you will be the first to get notified. And please share my videos to your friends and loved ones. Please give me a thumbs up, please. Look at the eggs on that rice. See how delicious it's looking. Guys, this rice was just too sweet, too delicious. Garnish with your spring onion. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao. See you in my next video.